only need Facebook watch hours to get monetized like YouTube. If you are a content creator, an online entrepreneur, or a digital marketer trying to make money out of Facebook, you might want to watch this video to the very end. First, let's clear something up. Facebook monetization is not just a one-sided thing. Facebook has multiple monetization tools, and each one has different monetization requirements. That's why some people will say you must have watch hours or have certain criteria before you get monetized, and some will say I get monetized without watch hours or without some certain criteria. Both statements can be correct depending on the tools available in your own page. The first monetization option we want to look at is in-stream ads. This is the most popular and most stable way to earn money on Facebook. In-stream ads are ads that place at the beginning of your video, in the middle of your video, or at the end of your video. If you are a YouTuber, you will understand this very well. Facebook pays you based on ads view, viewers retention, and advertisers demand. And what are the requirements for this monetization? You need 5,000 followers, 5 active videos, and 60,000 minutes watch hours in the last 60 days. Why watch hours matters here is because watch hours tells Facebook that people enjoy your content, people stay on your video for a very long time, and that your content is advertisers friendly because you make money through advertisers. That's why watch hour is mandatory if you want to earn from this monetization option. The second monetization option is in-stream ads for live videos. If you go live often, Facebook allow ads during your live streams. Those are the ads you see beside your live. This option is great for if you're an educator, if you are a coach, if you are a religious content creator, you do talk show, a content creator like me. This option is best for you. And what is the requirement? You need 10,000 followers, 600,000 minutes watch hours, and 60,000 minutes watched from live video. And this requirement for this monetization is high because Facebook wants a very long watch time on their platform. They want loyal viewers and brand safe live content. That is why the monetization requirement is this high. Facebook stars are one of the easiest and fastest ways to earn on Facebook. And this is when your fans buy stars and send them to you as support. On YouTube, it is called Super Thanks. You can earn stars from your live videos, your reels, photos, your text posts. And what are the requirements? You need 500 followers and your page must be active for the last 30 days. For this option, no watch hours is required. This option is perfect for small creators, someone who just creates a new page, or you just want a community-based content. This is the fastest way for you to earn without any big requirements. Ads on Reels allows you to earn when Facebook places ads between shots. You know, when you are scrolling, all those adverts you see before you watch another Reels, those are called ads on Reels. And please note that this monetization option is an invite-only program. Not everyone can join this until Uncle Mark invites you to this monetization option. And the main thing Uncle Mark, or let's say Facebook, look out for is your views, engagement, and the originality of your content. And one of the things that can help you earn more through this monetization option is that your reels must be high attention grabbing and it must be mobile friendly. You know, it's reels, so it has to be reels format. And for this monetization option, no watch hours is required. Performance bonus is Facebook way of rewarding we the creators, and this is based on your high reach, your strong engagement, and your quality content. And this includes whatever you post, photo, text posts, your reels, your videos, anything you post. And this option is invite only and is based on engagement. Your engagement is one of the ways for you to earn. No fixed watch hours threshold is required for you to be able to earn from these bonuses. Facebook subscription allows your fans to pay you monthly. This is good for personal brands, coaches, educators, creators with loyal audience. They subscribe to your page and some content are only available for them. And what are the requirements? You need 10,000 followers or 250 returning viewers. You need 180-minute watch hours or 50,000 engagement on your content. The last monetization option is Facebook storefront. This option lets business owners sell something directly on their Facebook page or even on their Instagram account. And for this option, one of the major requirements is that you need to have a product you are selling. That is the only way you'll be able to open a storefront. And there is no watch hours threshold required for this monetization option. It's an invite only program, meaning Facebook has to invite you for you to be able to have access to this. And the reason watch hours is not required for this monetization option is because you are selling a product. It's not a video based content where you want to earn from that particular video you are making. You just want to sell your own product. That is why watch hours is not required for this monetization option. And you must be active and your content must be original. It's your product, it's your video, everything about it is yours. For you to be able to increase your chances of getting invited, you have to be posting consistently. And when I mean posting consistently, your original content, that is when Uncle Mark or Facebook will see that, oh, this person is serious, and you will be invited. For this monetization option, Facebook do not tell us how many followers you need. So if you get lucky, they invite you. Now, let's talk about something very, very important. Facebook content monetization. Many of us hear these terms and think, oh, it's just one other way of earning money on Facebook. But that is not true. Think of Facebook content monetization like a house. Imagine Facebook content monetization is a big mansion, a big house. Now, that house has so many rooms. Each room represents a different way for you to make money on Facebook. Not everyone living in a house uses the entire rooms, right? Some people only use one room, others uses two or more rooms. But before you can use any of the rooms, Facebook must first allow you to enter inside the house. Just the way if you want to come to my house, you first need to knock the door. It's until I'm satisfied with you before I will open the door. That's exactly how Facebook content monetization works. Content monetization is a system that allows creators to earn money from different type of content, such as your reels, your long videos, your live videos, your photos, your text posts. Now, this system is created to combine the older monetization tools into one program, make payments easier and more organized, track earning in one dashboard, and reward original, quality, and advertisers friendly content. Instead of applying for many programs separately, Facebook now check one main thing. Is this creator qualified to earn money from content at all? Are we qualified? If the answer is yes, Facebook allows you into the house. Okay, now once you are inside the Facebook content monetization, Facebook may open different rooms for you depending on your page performance and the activities on your page. Here is the important question almost everybody asks: is watch hours required to have access to this? My answer is not for every room. Some rooms need watch hours. The different rooms inside the house are the monetization options I explained earlier in this video, and this includes in-stream ads, ads on reels, performance bonus, stars, subscriptions. Each of these rooms has its own requirements, which I've already explained. Okay, so now you have the understanding that being inside the house does not automatically open every room for you. For you to be able to have access to any of these monetization options that I have listed and explained in this video, you must be 18 years or older than 18. You must live in eligible country like Nigeria or any other country that is eligible. You must follow Facebook partner monetization policy. You must create original content and advertisers friendly content. That is the only way they'll be able to advertise on your video. Okay, so my final answer to these questions is that you can make money on Facebook without watch hours, but you cannot earn money from in-stream ads without Facebook watch hours. Okay, if your goal is to earn consistently through ads, you have to focus on watch hours. And if it's just for fan support and bonuses, you have to make sure you focus on engagement on your content. I believe that with this explanation, you should now have the understanding of what Facebook content monetization really means, why some creators are monetized and why others are not monetized yet. Facebook content monetization is a system. The monetization options are the rooms. Watch hours are just one of the keys, not the only one. Okay? If this explanation help you to understand Facebook monetization better, like this video, share with another creator, save it for later, follow and subscribe for the next video in this playlist. In the next video, I will show you how to increase your watch hours organically without violating Facebook policy. And if you want to track your watch hours to see the progress of how far you are moving with your watch hours, please watch this video here. I will also leave the link in this video description. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel yet, this is the right time for you to do it. Give this video a thumbs up and share with someone who needs this. And don't forget to check out the playlist for Facebook. You will find everything for Facebook there. Check out the playlist for Instagram, check out the playlist for YouTube. For every platform, you will find everything you need to know about each of these platforms there. And if you are a beginner, you want to start creating content online, but you don't know where to start from, I also have a special playlist for you. All right, bye for now.